everyone! This is a new video guide for Combin.com. Today, you will learn how to find and engage your Instagram competitors' audience. If you want to improve the quality of your Instagram marketing, you need to analyze your competitors' accounts. It is as simple as that. By looking into your competitors' Instagram audience, you can learn a lot about your target audience. See what kind of followers they have and what kind of posts they are publishing. This can give you some idea of what your Instagram target audience should look like. But Combin Growth can give you even more. With Combin Growth, you can easily steal your competitors' Instagram followers by means of engagement. Since they are already interested in your competitors, it is likely they will not only follow you, but potentially convert to a customer as well. In order to do this, follow the next easy steps. First, go to Combin.com and get Combin Growth to your computer. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Launch the application, enter your Instagram username and Instagram password. Click Sign In. In order to initiate search, go to Search tab and click Add Search button. Switch from Posts to the User Search tab. Move to the Search By section to specify the type of audience you want to target. Click the field to open the drop-down list of options. Select either followers, followings, commenters, likers, or buyer. After selecting the audience type, enter your Instagram competitor's username or a URL to their post. Specify the number of search results in the search limit field. Below the default search settings, there are fast search and advanced filters and analysis features. Enable the fast search mode to load search results quicker but without information about accounts, for example following and followers count, gender, language filters, etc. Enable the advanced filters and analysis feature to activate machine learning user analysis and set preferable language, gender, last activity, and following followers range filters. Then click Find. Wait a few seconds till the application loads the results. Before you start to interact with your competitor's audience, it's recommended to sort and filter search results to hide inept profiles and prioritize engagement with the most or least followed accounts. In order to do this, click Filters and Sorting sign at the upper right corner of the application. If advanced filters and analysis was enabled for a search, its results can be filtered with a wider variety of filters. To attract attention of competitors' audience, you can follow them, like their last post, and/or leave comments. Click Select All or pick profiles from the search results manually by clicking the profiles. At the bottom of the page, there are interaction buttons for following, liking, and commenting. Click them after selecting the accounts you'd like to engage with. Combin then will automatically schedule an action task and safely process it in accordance with your individual hourly and daily activity limits. Hopefully, by now, you have realized how easy it is to steal your competitors' Instagram followers. In short, the best approach to take here is to find your local and global competitors, take a look at their valuable followers, and engage with them. This is simple. Thank you for watching this video guide. Goodbye!